Hello, my name is Eva Magdet and I'm delighted to be chatting to you about live labs on virtual classroom. Now, within those live labs, you will learn how to design virtual classrooms, how to deploy different types of technology for the delivery of your classes, how to engage your learners, how to collaborate with them, how to use student response systems, and we'll be looking at different tools within those sessions. At the end of those live labs, you'll be well able to design very effective virtual classroom sessions, use the mainstream functionalities of the tools available on the market, also get your hands dirty with multitude of different tools used for collaboration, for student responses in the live session, as well as different presentations that you can deploy and use in your live sessions. It is believed that the leading live sessions in the virtual spaces is exactly the same as delivering a live session in a face-to-face environment. However, that's very much different, and that's why we designed those live labs to show you how those two different experiences would be very much similar on the surface, however distant in their design and deployment of different technologies. So this is what we're going to be doing in live labs, looking at different techniques and different tactics to make sure that you design very engaging live sessions. We all have been affected by artificial intelligence that also entered the space of virtual classroom tools. And that's why it's so important to get yourself upskilled, to know what technologies and what tools can be used in this type of delivery. So there's no better time to dive deeper into some of the tools than now. If you've been maybe training already online for a while, or maybe you're thinking about transitioning from face-to-face delivery to more online delivery, this is the time that we would love to see you in our live labs. So make sure you download our brochure and look into and maybe join me in those live labs on virtual classrooms.
Design a better future with the Digital Learning Institute.